You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names from Polish. If you want to learn more Polish vocabulary that is very useful and more pronunciations that are correct in general, I've got many more videos for you, linking to them at the end of this one. Zywiec. So the Polish pronunciation, this is a city in Poland and a beer, a brewery in Poland as well. Zywiec. Zywiec, okay, so replace the Z at the beginning with a J, a soft J, Zywiec, and the end with a TS, Zywiec. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.